Welcome to Epic Tim. Today I've got a DIY style, little more advanced technician's tips video. So this is where we take some slightly higher advanced level tips from a technician standpoint and bring it to you DIY style people. So you've likely come into a scenario where you need to do oil disposal. Take your used oil in this water jug or a drain pan, put it into a larger container or maybe a 5-quart jug so you can take it to the parts store and dispose of it properly. And you've probably come across a scenario where you start to pour your oil and now you've got this nasty glug scenario where your oil's coming out of the funnel onto the floor, making a mess or hitting you in the face. There's a very easy trick to get around this. What you need to do is get a piece of brake line or literally anything that you can use, a coat hanger or a hook, that you need to get in between the funnel neck and the edge of this. So what that does is it allows air to come out while the oil goes in. Take a look at how this works. I'd say that's a pretty good success. You can also permanently modify your funnel by gluing a couple of toothpicks or something along the edge here so that it's just always attached. Or you can permanently modify your jug to where there's a hole in it, but then it might start to leak at time to time. We may do another video on that in a little while, but for now that's T3. We'll see you next time. I appreciate you joining in. And don't forget, if you need some more Epic Tim in your life, hit that subscribe button, give me a like, throw me a comment for any technician tip videos that you would like to see. Have a great day.